So what's your name?
Gary Nicholas.
You're Gary Nicholas? How old are you?
Big.
You're big? Yeah. Are you a happy guy?
Yep. The uniform for my helmet.
Yeah. Are you 2.5, 3?
Half in.
Yeah.
3.
What do you like to wear your helmet for?
Ride bikes.
Ride bikes? What else?
Jason ride bikes and Georgie ride bikes.
Yeah. What else do you like to do at the park?
Ride bikes.
Ride bikes?
And Georgie ride bikes and Jason ride bikes.
Oh. Are there slides at the park?
I like one.
You like slides? What else do you like?
We have a slide outside.
We have a slide outside, that's true. What else do we have outside?
The tree up my tree house.
Yeah, tree house, yeah.
I have a house. I have a in the house. I have a slide on the house.
Do we have chickens? Who's your favorite chicken?
Big chick.
Baby chick.
And a big rooster.
Big Awooster, yeah.
We killed it.
We did, we killed our rooster.
We don't really know.
Yeah.
He barks.
Alright. He barks?
Yeah. Like, ah! He says that. I've touched him there.
You have trucks in there?
Huh? I can't remember the table.
That's right. We keep.
This one's too big for the table. Mommy,
All right. You want to say love you bye?